Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a brown smoky eye with a glitter top coat. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be using this large fluffy brush. It's quite loose, the bristles aren't very densely packed. It is a beautiful brush to use to blend everything out. So I'm going to be using a number of transition shades. That is the key to getting a really beautiful blended out smoky eye. It's quite common in all my videos at the moment. So you'll see that I'm slowly beginning this gradient from my brow bone down to my crease, and you can see I'm using a lighter colour, a medium colour and a darker colour. So you can see at the moment now, I'm just deepening up that crease with a little bit more of a denser packed blending brush. Again, back and forth motions, and I'm doing circular motions when I'm struggling. So you can see right now that really beautiful gradient. So these two colors here are going to deepen up the crease really nicely and prepare the crease for the lid shade, which you guys, it's a little bit more an advanced technique, but that's okay. I will help you through it because even I struggled, and I'm a pro makeup artist, so I feel your pain. So again, it's just deepened everything up. I'm using this black brush here just to soften everything out, diffuse all the edges, and just triple check my blending. If I could give one tip to just the everyday person, I would say blend to your heart's content. In the step here, you don't have to use a Q-tip if this is your eyeliner. This is my kit eyeliner, and if you don't have a gel eyeliner, that's okay. You can use a pencil and just use the same technique with the brush. Now, if you are using a gel liner, I would suggest using like a concealer brush or a flat eyeshadow brush, just because this pencil brush is too flimsy to blend out such a creamy product. So you can see now I switched over to a little bit more of a flatter brush, but even now it's just not blending out, it's dried. I went on a bit of a struggle streak, so I decided to go with eyeshadow. And same technique would happen even if you don't have any liner or a base down. You just pack the darker shadow at the root and then put in a middle shade like this one in between that crease shade that we finally did and the lid shade. And you can see right now it's blending out really beautifully and saved this look. And I'm just diffusing the edges again, tidying everything up, triple checking my blending. Okay, this is my favorite part, I'm not gonna lie. So this here is a metallic glitter cream eyeshadow, and it just gives you the prettiest finish. Like, the light just catches it in such a beautiful and delicate way. I know I rushed through that last part of the video. It's because I didn't really want to focus it. I wanted to focus on the eyes. All I did after I finished off the eyes was I just cleaned it up, put a bit of wing liner on there, mascara and lashes, and I just used the Ardell Wispy lashes with a bit of black lash glue, and just popped the same brown eyeliner on my waterline and a bit of mascara, and that was it. I didn't add anything else.